Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's going to be a 2020 GT500 laying down over 1,000 raw horsepower. And you know, one of the coolest things about making these videos, I know a lot of these aren't very long, but I love just letting you watch the dyno pull and then going down and taking the look to see like the mods that we did to achieve it. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us. Stay up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. Okay, before I watch that dyno pull, just a couple things. Open that description. You can click on links to the parts I'm getting ready to show you right here. And email quote@brenspeed.com. Hey, what's it cost to get built? We're located in Indiana. Doug, on down, take a look. Here's the mods. Factory supercharger, ported by Kong, VMP throttle body, JLT air induction, 4 return style fuel system, triple pump, ID 1300 injectors, 2.4 supercharger pulley, long tube headers. This baby lays down over 20 psi. Don't worry, when you watch that dyno pull, I'll bring up the graph so you can see the boost on that. But speaking of dyno pull, let's go check it out. All right, we are going to look at the numbers, so don't forget, subscribe, notify, stay up to date. Maybe you don't like GT500s, maybe you like other Mustangs, F-150s, other vehicles. I have tons of videos on those as well. DynoJet SAE, smoothing 5, 1,019 raw horsepower, 7,800 RPM, torque 752, 5,600, boost peaking 7,800. Basically, when we left off, 21.5 pounds. Again, 85 car. Speaking of 85 car, I want to take one more look. This car is sick. 2020 GT500, over 1,000 of the tires with those mods we talked about right there. So hey, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Happy to answer. And again, don't forget, we're in Indiana. You can email quote@brenspeed.com. Say, hey, what's this cost to get built? Or maybe something else you have. You know, maybe something I never even heard of. Or just call us, 574-594-9559. Thanks for watching.